Arts, Family Crafts, oh my!
What's up, guys?
Today we're gonna be making
firecracker poppers.
That's right, we're gonna be making firecracker poppers. You know why?
Because the 4th of July.
Yep, because 4th of July is coming up.
Really hard to pop it.
And we also would like to say Happy Juneteenth. I know we missed a video on that. Maybe on the next one we'll do a Juneteenth
pink,
one.
white, and blue.
Well, it's red, white, and blue.
Yeah, our flag.
Which we got right here behind us.
Oh yeah, I made that for my school project.
You make that for a school project. So let's get to it. So what it is
a school project with a castle too. You know that. We have the castle and we put some arts down there.
And also Peppa Pig is hiding somewhere with her mommy. So if you find her, please hit the like button. Alright, so what it is it's a firecracker. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need tissue paper, you're gonna need construction paper, red, white, and blue, also tissue paper, red, white, and blue. You're gonna need some tape, you're gonna need some glue, you're gonna need some markers, you're gonna need some paper towel rolls. And then you're gonna need this is called, so I get it right, craft cord. So you're gonna need some craft cord. So what it is there's a string, and inside we're gonna be filling this up with confetti, so that when we pull it, we're gonna pull it together. You ready?
Okay.
Ready? Not yet. Ready? 1, 2, 3, pull! So that's basically what you're gonna get. I didn't put that much in there, but that's what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna try to slide some of this over to here because we can use it later. And we're gonna get to it. That was fun, right? You like that? Yeah, so we're gonna make our own. You guys gonna make your own. Alright, so I'm gonna set this aside and we're gonna get to it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paper towel, roll, you're gonna place it on the table, and you're gonna take your string, your craft cord, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna spread it out and you're gonna make it longer. See how we have it? You're gonna make it longer than the paper towel roll, and then you're gonna cut it.
You're gonna make it like this?
So I'm gonna do the same thing.
Put it under?
So we're gonna do the same thing with the other ones. Alright, so now that we got our string, we're gonna take the paper towel roll and we're gonna place it aside, and we're gonna grab some tissue paper. So I'm gonna pick white. Which color you want, Ava?
Black.
You want white too? So grab a white.
Oh, I can see out the confetti thing. This white.
Okay, so this one we'll put on the top, and then Kevin, he's gonna grab a white.
I want the white for the top and the blue for the bottom.
Blue for the bottom. All right, so Kevin's gonna get blue. All right.
I'm getting white here, and it's the pink. Look, guys, I have what?
For the
I
top?
have a blue eye.
Do you want blue for the underneath? So then we're gonna need the blue one. Do you want the white for the top? All right. So after you grab your tissue,
I want the pink.
Oh, you want the pink one? The pink for the top. Which one you want for the bottom? The blue. Okay. All right. So after you grab your tissue paper, all right, you're gonna grab some glue, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go center of the paper, right? You're gonna add some glue like that, right? Then you're gonna take your string. You're gonna go past the string like this, right? You're gonna roll it inside the glue like that. Like that. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tape. You're gonna tape across like that. One. Then you're gonna fold it across like this. And you're gonna put another piece of tape like this. And then, so that's 2 tapes. Then you're gonna add a third one across like that. And then you're gonna add another one across like that.
4.
Alright? So that's that step. So now the kids are gonna do it. All right, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your paper towel roll, right? You're gonna take the string, you're gonna fish it inside. Oh, actually, let me go a step back. You're gonna take your glue first. Get some glue out. You're gonna spread the glue around the top. So maybe like right here, like this. Hold on. Hold on, just give me 1 second. You're gonna take the string, you're gonna drop this in.
You can do it.
Almost there.
Yes, you did
Like
it.
this. You're gonna make sure that the string and the tape is almost center. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this flat down like this, and you're gonna spin it around like this. And glue it. So that way this tissue paper stick to it. Alright, so now the kids are gonna do it. Alright, so when it's done, it should look like this. Alright, you should have your string like that, and you should have this. Alright, so the next step is you want to take your tape, piece of tape, small piece of tape, and you want to tie the string like this because you don't want it to fall down when we fill it. So you take this.
That's actually a good idea.
You fold this like this, and you're gonna put a piece of tape because you don't want it to fall back when you're doing it.
Wait, so it's not gonna fall back? It'll still fall back though, but it will go inside.
Okay.
So.
You're gonna push this
Wait,
back
are we gonna take?
like this, and you're gonna put the tape here. Because you don't want it to fall back right when we fill it. Alright, so after you taped it, then you can take, then what it is you take tissue paper, alright? You fold it like this. I'm just going to show you an example. Uh-huh. And then the way you're going to make the confetti is, when you fold it in half, you go like that. And then you fold it. Here, Ava wants to cut it.
Okay.
So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna cut right across like that. Oh, hold on. Go ahead. Alright. So, you're gonna cut it just like that. It's hard to do it when there's two people cutting it. Here, let me try it. You fold it like this and then you just cut it into little pieces. Just like that. Alright, so you're going to repeat these steps with the other leftover tissue paper, and you're going to cut this, but make sure you leave one. What happened? You want more tape? Okay, let me help you.
Wait, are we going to take the tape off when we're finished?
Yeah, we're going to take the tape off. Alright, so now the next step is you take your confetti that you just cut with the tissue paper. We got extra here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this tissue paper here. This is the leftover from last time. Uh-huh. Good job. And what you're going to do is we have all different types of different confetti. You're going to stuff your roll in. Alright, so when you get it, it should sound like this, right? What is it called? Maraca? I think it is.
Maraca! Can we make a maraca?
So, yeah, we'll do that. Well, we can do that. You usually use it with rice, with dry rice. Alright, so now you take your tissue paper. You said you want what color?
Well, we can do it with the
you want it red on the top?
In the center. dark. Okay.
Kevin, you want it? What you want it? Blue? No, white? On the top? I'm probably gonna take blue. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold on. You're gonna take your scissor, right? You're gonna cut a line across. So I'm gonna do it to theirs. You see this? Right through the center. Right here. Right through the center. Like this. Go ahead. Push it down. Good job. All right. So after you cut your tissue paper like this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glue, right? And you're gonna glue around. Don't glue the string, but glue. You're gonna stop at the string. So right here.
Help me.
So you're gonna glue around. So now, what you do is you take your tissue paper and you're gonna put the cut end that you have where the string is. Like this. All right?
Okay.
And you're gonna pop this down like that.
I did it.
Just like this. Let me see. All right, so now what we do is you pull the string up like this, like that, right? You can leave the tape on if you want. And then we're gonna put this over it, like that. All right, so now that we did that, now we have this ready, we're gonna set it aside.
It's a double one.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your red, white, and blue construction paper, right? You're gonna fold it in half like this, like that, and you're gonna cut it in half this way. All right, so after you set it, then we're gonna do from color to color. So the first one we did.
Put this on the top.
Okay.
Red.
First one we're gonna do is, there you go, is we're gonna take your red paper. So you take yours, take mine, and then Ava's gonna take his. Well, this one is mine. You trying to take my project? All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this. You're gonna take some glue. You're gonna go across here like that. All right. Good job, Ava. That's cool. You're gonna take this. You're gonna put it right here at the edge, and you're gonna roll it towards you like this. All right. You're gonna stop halfway like this. You're gonna take this. You're gonna put glue across again. You're gonna roll it again. And then, let me see. I give it back to you. Let me see. Let me see what's going on.
It's hard.
I know it's hard.
My hands are gonna explode.
And then you're going to roll it like that. All right. So when you get it, it should look like this. All right. And then what you do is you're gonna repeat it. So after you do the red, you're gonna do the white, and then you're gonna do the blue. All right. So I'm gonna help Ava and Kevin. All right, so it should look like this, right? So it doesn't have to be the same order. See, Kevin did blue, white, and red. I did red, white, and blue. What you do? Oh, she did red, white, and blue too. All right, so now that you got this now we can decorate it. So we got some eyeballs. We got some glitter glue. We got some balls right here.
It's cotton balls.
And
the airful.
You got it? And then we're gonna start decorating. Ah, you got me! This is her favorite part of the day. All right, so let's get to it. Let's start drawing. Let's start coloring. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like. So let's show them from up top. So that's what it looks like this.
I didn't get any pompons.
We got the eyes. He got his ears. He's happy. Says Daddy says happy 4th.
And this is my name, but there's an X in my name.
There's an X in your name? So this is it. So what you guys gonna do is you got your confetti in there. You're gonna let it dry when the 4th of July comes and they're getting ready to do the fireworks. You pull it and you go, woo!
Okay,
right? No, don't pull it yet. No, we gotta let it dry. They're eager to pull it. Maybe we'll do a video of us pulling it on the 4th of July when the fireworks happen. But yeah, this is it right here. It's a nice, fun, easy craft for kids.
And you can
decorate it.
And you don't have to pop. You don't have to pop it, but you can pop it.
But like I said, you gotta make sure it dries. See, the glue is still wet, so as soon as it dries, it'll be good. And the next thing you know, when I do the fireworks, just pull it, right?
I'm not gonna pull mine. I'm just gonna keep it as a decoration, cause I may actually pull it.
He's gonna pull it. Watch.
I'm gonna pull it for Christmas, actually.
You're gonna wait all the way till Christmas? Woo, that's a long way. I guess so.
Cause everything's gonna need to dry, even the mad face. So he said LL. That means la la.
La la.
All
right, guys. So that's it. If you guys found Peppa Pig and her mother, then
and Mommy
hit
Pig.
that like and Mommy Pig. Hit the like, subscribe. Again, we want to thank everybody.
Even if you don't like it, still the thumbs up.
Yep, still give a thumbs up, like, subscribe.
And let's help Peppa Pig, so like and subscribe to them. Because they watch our shows too.
And then also, we want to thank everybody again. You can see we redecorated our space. Now we got a nice art studio.
You get the TV to watch it.
Yeah,
but we're gonna move out soon.
So that's about it. So we're gonna say peace. We're gonna eat some breakfast now, right?
Peace, big baby.
I know you did. All right, guys. So we are out. We are out, right?
1, 2, 3.